Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to draw the end elevation, and we are starting with the right end elevation. When it comes to the third angle projection, the right end elevation will be drawn on the right side of the front elevation, unlike in first angle projection, in which the right end elevation will be drawn on the left side of the front elevation. But in the case of the third angle projection, we draw the right end elevation on the right side of the front elevation, and left end elevation will be drawn on the left side of the front elevation. That's for the third angle projection. Don't forget that this is the plan and this is the front elevation, because we are drawing the views in third angle projection. So now let's start with the right end elevation. So what we need to do first now is to take our 45 degree set square, we place it at this point on the front elevation, and we draw a line that should be at an angle 45 degree to the horizontal. So we draw a line in this direction. So wherever this line meets the horizontal lines that we draw out of the plan, we are going to project a vertical line at each of the points. So at this point here, I need to draw a vertical line, so down here. Okay, so also at this point I will draw a vertical line. Then at this point, so at this point here I will draw a vertical line. So here at this point I will draw a vertical line. Then at this point I will draw a vertical line like this. Alright, so now for the right end elevation, as I said, that we are drawing it on the right side of the front elevation. So this is our right hand. So that means we are looking at the view from this end here. So on this surface here, we are going to have a rectangle. I believe you agree with me. So this end from here down. So we are going to have a rectangle. But we have something up here, because what we have here is above this line here. So here we are going to have a rectangle also. We have a rectangle which is just distance from here to here and this length. So we have it. But let's start with that first. So if I follow this line here, okay, so that is for this line that we have here. So I'm going to make this line, I'm going to make it a thick line from this point to this end here. So to be a thick line. Okay, so I will also see this line at this point, so which is this line here. So we draw it from here. So from here to this end, like this, we have it like this. Okay, so that rectangle is out. So just let me draw its width here. Alright, so then, so what is the next thing that we have here? So when I'm looking at this surface here, I'm going to we have come to this level now, so which is at this point here. So at this point here, I will see a rectangle at this point. So rectangle at this, on this surface, I will see it. Okay, so where is that rectangle? So it is distance from here to here, and then if I follow this line like this, so it starts from this point to this point, and it goes down to this point to this point. So I'm going to make this. So let's bring out that rectangle that we have there. So it's like this. Okay, so this is it. So we have brought out that small rectangle on that part. Okay, so then, so this line that we have at this point here merged with this one. Okay, so which is also along this line. So which means that I need to draw this line. I need to make it like this. Okay, so coming here also, so the line at this end here, so it will be a thick line at that end. Okay, so the line at this end here, so we have it to be a complete thick line, solid line. So we have it like this. So other features that we are going to bring out here is that at this point, you can't see this point. You can't see it, or the line at this point, it is hidden from us here in the right hand elevation. So where do we have it? We have it at this point. So I'm going to make this line. I'm going to draw it with short dashes line. Okay, so we have that done. So then what we have here on this part here, so it will be hidden from us, this feature that we have here, this line, and at the line at this point, and the one that looks like this around this end, so it's also hidden from us. So where do we have it? If I follow this line, this is where we have it in the plan. So if I follow this line, it comes down like this. So as I said, so following this line from here, so down here to this point, it comes from here down to this point. So it's going to be hidden in the right hand elevation. So draw it like this. So we short dashes line to this end. Also, if you follow this one, it comes like this to this point and start from here. So we draw it with short dashes line. Okay, so and then this will also be drawn with short dashes line. So this is how the right hand elevation will look. Alright, this is how the right hand elevation will look. So we meet on that of the left hand elevation. Thank you and God bless you.